Hello everybody, Snowy here from BlindMansGFX.net. Today we're going to be learning how to make two types of text. Both of them are primarily used for web design, but if you're feeling adventurous, you could probably throw it in a SIG or something like that. So let's get started by opening up a new document. It doesn't matter what size. I think I've got 640 by 480 here. We're going to first type our text and change it to the font you want. I'll put this font in the forms for download. And to make it a little bit more interesting, I'm going to rotate the text just slightly. Okay, so now that we've done that, it's time to make this 3D effect. On our keyboard, we're going to hold Ctrl-Alt, and then we're going to press the up arrow 5 times. Next, we're going to go back to our original layer, and we're going to put a 1 pixel stroke of white on it. I'll change the background color so we can see it. Next, on our 4th layer, we're going to put a gradient overlay. Leave the settings at default. Now on our 5th layer, we're going to put another gradient overlay on, but we're going to choose colors that are opposite of the other colors on the rest of our text. So for example, my text is a dark blue color, so I'm going to put a red color as the overlay. I think I'm going to reverse that, so the dark color starts at the bottom left and goes up to the top right. And well, that's pretty much all there is to this 3D text. Let's learn how to make the other type of text now. So I'm just going to click New up here to reset the document. Fill it with a background color. Now while you're choosing your background color, keep in mind that your text is going to be the same color as it. Let's learn how to make the other type of text now. So I'm just going to click New up here to reset the document. Fill it with a background color. Now while you're choosing your background color, keep in mind that your text is going to be the same color as it. I'm going to use the color 0B4F7F. I'm going to set this as our background color. New layer. Take your brush tool. Oops. Reset the colors. And just put a big brush right in the middle of your document. Set the blend mode to soft light. Now we're going to type our text. I'm going to use the font Xyrod. And again, I'll put it in the forms for download. Adjust your size if you need to, of course. And put this right in the center of your light source in the background. In the blending options, we're going to put an outer glow on it. Set the color to FFFFF, which is white. Press OK. And I think we're going to change the size to 7 pixels. Next, create a new layer. And take your rectangle marquee tool. And drag from, it doesn't matter how high up you drag, but stop halfway down your text. And fill the selection with white, then deselect, and on your text layer, right click and select layer transparency, and in the selection right click and select interverse, then back up on your white marquee layer, press delete and deselect. Now set your blend mode to soft light with opacity of 30. Next, in the blending options, put an inner glow on it, change it to white, and that's it. Now you're done with the second type of text. This is the glossy text. First one was the 3D. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please visit blindmansgfx.net. See you next time.